Hi, I'm Nicolina, and I'm a founder of Indigo Sails. Indigo Sails is not just the retreat. It is a movement. It is a movement in which we all come together to try to help and support people to live their life as their authentic self. We genuinely believe that once we step into our authentic power, we can experience life at a different level. We believe that we are able to showcase more compassion and kindness, but at the same time experience more fulfillment and contentment and joy on a regular basis. It is a journey, and therefore we have crafted the retreat, which is 7 nights, 8 days in Croatia, across 6 locations, 3 Croatian islands, that combines personal development with sailing, yachting, adventure. Nevertheless, it doesn't compromise on other premium leisure activities, such as sport and water activities, fine dining, wine tasting, island exploration, spa and wellness packages, etc. We have crafted this retreat in such way because we do believe that time is limited, and we are aware how hard we work and how rarely we have time to focus on ourselves. Our Indigo Sails team consists of 15 professional facilitators who are world-renowned academics and specialize in emotional intelligence, authenticity in life, and in leadership. They all come together in that movement to try to provide support that you might need at a given moment on your own life journey. We hope that you will give us an opportunity and embark on this journey and be part of our Indigo Sails movement. Thank you.